What are you doing?
I'm doing a soccer ball.
Are you playing tennis?
Yes?
What are you hitting?
This.
And what's that one called? What's that? Is that a forehand? Hey?
That's backhand.
That's back.
Forehand.
And that's backhand. Good girl. Giselle. Good girl, Mama. You're unreal.